Hi, I'm Russ Heinz. I'm here to show you how to change the drill on the Flexco electric belt cutter using the replacement drill kit. Always make sure we disengage all power sources before starting. We will disassemble the drill from the housing by loosening the 3 existing screws. Now we will remove the female coupling from the old drill. Make sure it's in speed 1 and drill setting, and also set in neutral. We may have to break the Loctite on the screw, so you might want to use a ratchet or some other type of tool. This is a left-handed thread, and make sure you keep the screw and washer for attaching the coupling to the new drill. And we're going to have to break the Loctite on the female coupling. Now we will replace the existing parts from the old drill onto the new drill, starting with the spacer ring and putting it into position on the new drill, and adding the female coupling onto the new drill. We will need to add a little Loctite onto the existing screw, put the washer in place, and lock in the female coupling. When inserting the new drill into the housing, make sure the female coupling and the male coupling align correctly for proper seating of the drill. And tighten the 3 screws sufficiently. And that's how we change the drill on the Flexco electric belt cutter.